Good morning, students. Today we will read in Economics Chapter 1, the story of village Palampur, Part 3, that how can we increase the production on the same land. As we know, land is a fixed resource, natural resource, and farming is the main activity in village Palampur. 75% of the people are working in field and farmers. But there is constant rise in population, so the wasteland are converted to cultivable land. Now there exists no land to convert to cultivable land. As we know about village Palampur, if population is increasing, we are using all these lands which were waste and there was no any production in these lands. We have converted these lands into the cultivable land, but now whatever the land we are having, we are to increase the production on the same land. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible to increase the production on the same land. What are the ways then? If we use modern inputs like HYV seeds, fertilizers, modern farm machinery like tractors, threshers, harvesters, pesticides, irrigating using modern facilities by using canals, pump set, electricity, dams, etc., and other resources which are modern resources now we are using for commercial cropping, we can increase the production. What is modern farming actually? In this type of farming, high yielding variety seed are used. As a result of piece of land produce large quantity of food grains. These are the high quality seeds which increase the production. In India, farmers of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern farming methods. Introduction of green revolution facilitated the cultivation of wheat and rice using high yield variety of seeds instead of the traditional seeds. Comparatively, these seeds are much important and fruitful than traditional seeds. The HYV are the capable of producing more amount of grain on the plant. If we will see the example of village Palampur, first it was the 13 hectare, it was the 1300 kilogram per hectare production, but after using HYV seeds in 1 hectare land, now production is 3200 kg. First it was 1300 kg, now later after using HYV seeds it increased 3200 kg. Now we can understand that how production increased by using this modern farming method. Now second method for increasing the production on the same piece of land, that is multiple cropping. Multiple cropping is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. When more than one crop grown in a piece of land during the year, it is known as multiple cropping system. All the farmers in Palampur grow at least two main crops and grow potatoes as their third crop. In this way, they are increasing the production. Now, let us difference the multiple cropping and modern farming, that how it is both are different from each other. If we talk about the multiple cropping, it is a traditional method of farming, but modern farming is the modern method of farming. Multiple cropping include growing more than one crop on a same piece of land, and modern farming includes growing one crop on a single piece of land at one point of time. Multiple cropping, this method involves using traditional seeds or requires less irrigation, wooden tools and equipments, ancient machinery, etc. But in modern farming, it involves using of high yield variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides in large quantity, modern machinery, etc. If we talk about the multiple cropping, that productivity of this method tends to remain low. But if we talk about the modern farming, the productivity of this method is high. However, it is not environmental friendly. Thanks. Next we will read in our next video.